So let's complete a one more simple exercise on sheet metal concept in the CATIA software. So this is my 3D model. So small model is there. So we'll make this part in CATIA software and try to learn some new concepts. So go to software, click on the start, mechanical design, and here you can see the generator sheet metal design. Give a name, click on OK. So I have three views here: front view, top view, and side view. So obviously I can choose the front view because it is easy to design from the front view itself. So click on the, so before all these things you have to specify sheet metal parameters, right? So click on the sheet metal parameters, give a thickness, so that is what is given as 0.5. okay, the bend radius is not given. So when the in cases where the bend radius is not given, means what you can do is you can multiply, you can double the thickness and consider that result as a bend radius. So in my case I doubled the 0.5, which is 1, and I consider that 1 as a bend radius. That's it. Click on OK. Now click on the position sketch, select the front plane, click on OK. Let's make a one center rectangle here like this, right? Double click, zoom it. 7 is this side and 4 is this side, right? Exit and use the see last case we have used the extrusion option because the sketch is open profile, but in this case the extrusion will also work here. Let's try this. See, the extrusion is not working for the closed profiles, so that's why I'm using wall option. Click on preview. See, the material is adding one direction, I want to add it on other direction. Click on invert material side, click on OK. The base plate, this one is complete. Now talking about this side, upper and the lower sheets, what I'm doing is you can use the flange or wall on edge option. I'm using wall on edge option for the upper side, and I will use flange option for lower side. Click on the wall on edge option and select the side where you want to add that side sheet. Now in the sheet metal, so something that you need to keep, that you need to conscious about is, see, the given dimension is from this to this end. See, the 3 is given from this end to this end, right? But what will happen, so sometimes the software itself is considered the length from this edge to this edge, or else it will consider only this edge. So you have to conscious about these giving the dimensions, right? So in my case I have to choose from this to this. So for that, click on this option, length type, and I need to measure from this to this. So that's why I'm choosing the first option. Click on preview, click on OK. Now if you measure it, so it will gives 4. Why? Because double click, am I give, yes, I given 4, that's why it is giving 4 as a result. Click on 3 only. Now measure it from this face to this face, so see, it is giving a 3 as a result. That's what I want. And the next thing is the length of this base plate and this top plate is not same, so it is somewhat extended. That is what you can see from the 3D model. So how much the extrusion, you can calculate it from right from here, which is a 4 and 6. 1 is this side, 1 mm is this side, and 1 mm this side. So if you want to make that, so you have two options. So one is you can specify extremities. So 1 mm it need to be extruded from left side, and 1 mm it should be extended from right side also. Let's specify that. See, it is extruded. The thing is, at the intersection of these two, there is a one gap. That is what shown in the model, and that is what we known as reliefs. If you want to specify those reliefs, so here is the option. So here it since drawing it itself is showing the round relief, I'm choosing the round relief also here. And what about dimensions? Why you are not able to give dimensions? So okay, let's close this. You can specify those reliefs in the parameters itself. So here you can see the bend extremities and minimum list. You have to choose this round relief and choose the L2 as a diameter, that is 0.1, and this as a 0.5. Click on OK. Double click, and extremities you have to select as one, and right, left side and right side. Click on preview. See, now you can see there is a relief. So this is one way to extend these edges, and another way is you can specify one sketch. So let's do that also. What I'm doing is double click on this, and here you can see the sketch based on, select on that. So it is asking about plane, it is asking about sketch. You need to draw a sketch. For drawing that sketch, here is the option, select that and select this plane. So here you can see the axes are showing here, right? Let's make it one rectangle. So one side must be coincide with this axis line, right? And from here to here it is 1, and from here to here it is also 1, right? And from this edge to this edge, which is about 3, right? Exit. See, I got the same result with a sketch based feature also, right? This is how you can use the. And one more thing you need to know is, so here double click, see, okay, this is how you can use the mirror option for opposite flange. So feature, I can choose this mirroring plane, so I can choose this top plane, and mirror element I can choose this wall on edge option. Click on preview, click on OK. In this way it will works. And there are two more cutouts are there. Click on the position scale, select this plane, click on OK. Let's make a one arc like this, and let's make let's specify the radius of this circle. How much it is? It is only 3. Double click 3, enter. Maybe this point, just delete one thing. See, select this point and this point, make sure it is coincidence, and here is also same thing. That's it. And let's close this profile with a line command like this, and exit. Use the cutout option and preview. OK, and do have the same side with a mirror option. Mirror plane is this, and mirror element should be this. This is how you can use you can create this kind of 3D models. But my doubt is, here you can see these are the cuts that can be done there is a feature that is available, right, that will comes along with this one. So how can I do that? So maybe how can I do that? So maybe in the sheet metal parameters, bend allowances, no bend extremities. Can, if I increase this value, what will happen? So no, it is not. So there is an option to cut all to cut these also. So okay, we will try to cover those topic in the upcoming videos. So if you want to get updated for those videos, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.